What's happening, YouTube? This morning I'm working on a second gen Camaro big block header. So set of Headman, got the 2-inch primary with a 3-inch ball and socket collector. Customer, he's got a 509 blueprint big block. He's either got the incorrect motor mount frame stand or the incorrect motor mount. Either way, the engine's in the car, but the rear primary tube hits the firewall, kind of right there at the toe board. There's a little small heat shield. So with all this extra room that we have, we're basically going to end up cutting the tube in 2 spots, reworking it, just getting him some extra clearance instead of having to pull the engine back out. Pretty simple task. The biggest thing is, cutting in a straight area like that, it works perfect, but if you end up trying to cut a tube in a radius and you don't cut it center line with a radius, you'll end up with an oval tube. So pretty much we're just going to cut it in 2 spots, kind of get them straight, and that way we can rework it and have good fitment and clear the firewall. And luckily he purchased the headers painted instead of ceramic coated, so he doesn't have to have them recoated. Let's get going on this. Hopefully we can knock it out. So as you can see, I've went ahead, took my porta band over there and cut this tube out. And luckily with this one, as far out as it came, I had enough material I could actually just reuse what was there and just cut it down. So basically I got 3 sections now. I've got just one little small pie cut that'll be up towards the top, and then the longer piece, and then I've basically cut a shorter piece, and it's got a little bit of an angle to it, and should be able to clean those up and get it all tacked up and then refit it one last time. And then basically I'll weld these sections off, and then that way when I put it on the header, I'll only have 2 joints to weld up, and it should go pretty quick. As you can see, I got the header knocked out. Fit everything one last time after I tacked it, and then finished welding it, and then I welded it into the header. Everything come out pretty good. I'm happy with it. I think I took a good solid inch out of it and should have more than plenty firewall clearance for him, so he can take it home now and test fit it. Everything works out good. He can either paint them or have them ceramic coated, or whatever he's gonna do, and should be good to go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and push the notification bell for updates on any other videos we post. Thanks.